So, I'm here with Brad Mills, the Managing Director, and Alvise Marzo, the Public Affairs Director of Techemet. Welcome.
Thank you.
So, Brad, would you like to tell us what Techemet does, please?
So the catalyst converter is an integral part of the car. First of all, it lowers the pollution of the car, and obviously when the car reaches the end of its life, it needs to be effectively recycled. So this is where we come into the picture. The catalyst converter contains many precious metals, and we operate a full recycling service for extracting those precious metals and reclaiming them back onto the open market for reuse in more catalyst converters.
And Alvise, this is the first time the Techemet has been to this conference. Why is it important for you to be here again this year?
Thank you for invitation us in this big event in Europe. And it's so important to stay here for the Techemet because we support the circular economy and the innovation and the technology. Techemet is a leader in the recycling and recovery catalytic convert in the world. We are a smelter and refinery. Techemet founded 50 years ago, and we became to grow multinational. We are plant in Europe. Our headquarters is in Houston, Pasadena, in Texas. But in Europe we have 2 plants in Italy, 1 plant in Spain, 1 plant in UK, and in Albany. We invest a lot in engineering, metallurgical, and in technology. We work with association, European Association, the countries association of the car dismantler. We support them, and Techemet operates with the chemical, because we are at the big laboratory. We have XRF, ICP, LECO carbon analyze, and we purchase 1 million of catalytic converter in the world in the automotive, petrochemical, industrial sector. Techemet is the best partner for car dismantler, small and large collector, and car makers.
So you're sponsoring the Automotive Recycling Conference again, and we thank you very much. Who are you hoping to meet specifically this week in Geneva?
Yeah, I think this moment it's important for the relationship and to find a friends, to find a colleague, and to speak for the future of recycling in the automotive. Now, in this moment, the automotive recycling change. Techemet change with everybody and with the stakeholder of this sector. But we support this event because this event it's important for the Europe for understand the change.
So would you like to tell me about the latest developments and innovation at Techemet?
Absolutely. So a really exciting product that has started to come onto the market is hydrogen fuel cells. This is an alternative to electrification, which is quite exciting. It's still gaining traction, but as far as the precious metals world is concerned, hydrogen fuel cells contain a lot of platinum. So this is a key element for ourselves and for other auto catalyst recyclers to develop and to move into as the technology develops.
So how optimistic are you for the future of Techemet?
Very, I hope. The world as a whole obviously is quite fragmented. So as we look to developing markets, obviously there's very much a need for in Southeast Asia, in Africa and so on, for the catalyst to be recycled. And that's where we are looking towards the future for future growth.
Okay, great. We wish you lots of great contacts at the conference. Thank you very
Brilliant.
much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Merci.